be enough? Is it gonna come out? Hey, what's good, my beautiful people? Listen, today is gonna be a real interesting makeup tutorial, okay? I'm gonna show you makeup on the go, literally on the go. I'm gonna show you my setup for my car. I don't know what this is gonna look like. This is my first time trying it, but I decided, hey, let's see what works. So this is my counter for today, right? And I have my palettes down there on the floor. I'm making it do what I can with the space in which I'm given. And we're off. All right, first thing I'm gonna do, as always, still on the go, is moisturizer. Hydro Grip Primer. It's barely anything in here. Oh my goodness. Is this gonna be enough? Is it gonna come out? So, moving forward, no problem. Oh wait, I do have my Bear With Me spray, which is also a prime set refresher. So I'm gonna try this. Oh, and I did get my brows done today, so hopefully this won't take that long. Okay. Help me! Somebody help me! I'm already moving, so I can't chew gum, talk, and do this. Ooh. No bumps, honey. Right up there. Oh, okay. My friends, my buddies. Trying to stay out of the way of the driver. Okay, we stopped for a minute. What's wrong, man?
I don't know what this thing is doing.
Huh? View more. Hit view more.
Yeah, but it comes up with this. Manage preference.
Jeez, you get so frustrated so fast. Just a Bank of America card, right?
Yeah.
No, that ain't.
Oh.
You're about to get pissed off with that machine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna beat it up. I think I did okay. All right, back. Had to make a phone call. So now, eyebrows are done. This is what we got. Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and Mocha. That is ours, Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation, New Caledonia. Now I'm gonna go with my Tarte Shade Tape in the color D here. Bumps. Oh. Bump it. I'm trying to bake. I'm not doing the nose today. I just don't have it in me to try and do all that. So my fan is going to be me turning my AC on max. I'm gonna use a spray and dampen it, which sucks because I'm dampening this with setting spray. So it's kind of gonna set my makeup, but it's all I got. I'm in a car. I can't expect a lot, right? No.
I gotta do what I gotta do.
Okay, now. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Oh, look how the light is just consistently changing on my face. I'm doing the best that I can. Maybe not look at the road because it's gonna scare me it just melts into your skin. And I know on my previous tutorial I did use it as my darker shade on the outer portion, and I did that because I used banana powder on my inner portions. So now I'm switching it around and I'm going to use foundation because I can't find a powder that is dark as this to set my contour. So I'm using this to deepen my contour, and then I'll still bronze and put that shimmer on top of it as well. My Fenty, my Mocha Mommy. Oh yeah, I like. Okay, thank you, Mocha Mommy, for having a little mirror in here. Still looking there. I'm still in there. All right. Blush, a cream to matte blush. Yeah, this is by Milani. It's a cheek kiss, and it's called Merlot Moments. So pretty. How we looking? Are we looking for this car ride? I like this. This is my first time using a cream blush. I didn't really know how I would style. I really didn't know how I would like a cream blush, but I like it. Studio Fix, Master, Maybelline. Yeah, I went down definitely a little bit further than what I normally would, but when you're on a car ride, you gotta do what you gotta do. I did bring the Born to Run palette. Hold on, before we go any further, let's take it back because the primer on the eyelids. A 2-color hit right here. Going in with the color Baja. So the first color was right above it, which is this color, and then here's the second color. What do you think? Alright, now let's blend these two together.
5 minutes later.
A little bit of Ignite. This Pop and Gold. I'll place that like right here. Okay, take Ignite right here. I'm gonna go under the bottom of the waterline. I'm gonna do it, y'all. I'm trying to do it. I did it. I'm gonna use my Candy Lady Cosmetics Tres Leches, baby. Set it spray. That's it. I did it. I'm done. Y'all let me know how I did and if y'all enjoyed this, because let me tell you something. It was fun to do, and I didn't know if I was gonna actually do a good job, so I really think I did. So I'm proud of myself. Yay! Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to share the video and come back, because I'm gonna do some other interesting things. I think maybe, probably, yeah. All right, talk to y'all later.